Good morning. Here we are in Residencial Duquesa, phase 4, in a middle floor apartment. As you can see, we come in and have a nice large living room. And in this apartment in particular, the owners have removed the doors and have done a large sliding door. So that connected. So this is what it looks like closed, and then it completely goes back to have a nice open space. Here is the terrace. As you can see, they have closed this in with glass curtains to give it an extra space. You can see they've taken advantage of every little space in the property, which is nice. These glass windows are foldable. You can remove them all back. The same here. And that way you can have that breeze and a nice open terrace. There you have the swimming pool. There is a children's pool and showers and bathrooms. There is also another swimming pool behind this block. So you have 2 pools in the community. Nice and quiet. The owners have painted all the frames white and the doors, as you can see now in the video. The originals are a wooden, and here you can see it gives it a cleaner look. This is the kitchen. They've also added some more workspace. And here they have closed this in with glass windows so that it protects the area a little bit better. Here we have guest bedroom. Here it looks onto the villas. Very peaceful and quiet. Here we have the guest bathroom, the walk-in shower. And this is the master bedroom. As you can see here, white doors. The wardrobes are also painted white now. Gives it that cleaner look, as mentioned before. Here we have the master bathroom with a bath. So you would have bath and walk-in shower, which is always nice to have 2 options. Here we have the master bedroom. That is the terrace that belongs to this property. Coming back into the terrace, just to give you another look. Another thing the owner has done is he's extended the roof with some glass to give it more space and more coverage, and closed here with windows to give you more privacy from the neighbours. for viewings, please contact us. It is 12 o'clock and the sun is shining. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you and have a lovely day.